Okay, students, let us learn statistics. We are left with only two lessons of statistics, two different aspects of statistics which are very, very important. One of the aspects you will learn that is mean in other name, that is average. Okay, we'll learn about mean and then we'll learn another thing which is similar to mean is called median. Then a small things I will talk to you about mode also. Then we'll end this year syllabus altogether. So शुरू करते हैं. We will start with mean. Mean and median. First I will give you the conception about mean and median. What do you understand by mean? One example will be better here. See, I will tell you nowadays Virat Kohli is in the heart of many sportsmen. Especially the young generation. Sachin Tendulkar is little backdated है ना, वो थोड़ा सा पुराना हो गया, अभी विराट का जमाना है कि नहीं. सो विराट कोहली का 5 इनिंग्स का रन मैंने ले लिया, ठीक है. वो क्या क्या रन किया देखो. ही इज अ वेरी कंसिस्टेंट बैट्समैन, यू ऑल नो. सो इन द फर्स्ट इनिंग्स ही हैज गॉट 25 रन, सेकंड इनिंग्स 58 रन, हाफ सेंचुरी. उसका बाद सेंचुरी मार दिया उसने 112 रन. देन दिस इनिंग्स ही हैज गॉट 70 रन एंड देन फॉलोड सेंचुरी आफ्टर 5 इनिंग्स, 2 innings century runs later. So he is obviously the best batsman in the world right now. Everybody agrees. So क्या है, कितना रन हो गया? 25, 58, 112, 70 and 105, isn't it? So 4-5 innings का run. You know that run score of Virat Kohli, often it is said, shown in the TV also for the player average performance, isn't it? That average itself is called mean in statistics. The statistical average is called mean. Could you understand me? So mean is what? The average or mean run score will be what? 25 plus 58 plus 112 plus 70 plus 105 divided by 5. ये 5 कहाँ से आ गया है सर? इसका बारे में नहीं पता. 5 क्या है वो बताऊंगा मैं, सुनिए. सी देखो कितना इनिंग्स खेला उसने. These all are observation, isn't it? In statistical language, these all are observation. Observation means mathematical, numerical form of data is called observation. Observation means data is the numerical form of collection is called data, and each data is called the observation. So here the observations are 5. कितना observation है? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 observations are there. That is what is the 5. So 5 किस लिए है समझ में? 5 is the number of observation, and here is the summation of the observation. Summation of the observation divided by number of observation. If you add all this, you will find 370 run in 5 innings he has scored. So his average comes 74, isn't it? Now what we can conclude? Mean is equal to sum of the observation divided by number of observations. That you remember, make a note. Mean is the sum of observation divided by number of observations. See, other way, conversely, what we can see? Sum of the observation. Total क्या है? Total how you find when the mean is given and the number of observation is given. See, sum of the observation or total of the observation will be mean into number of observation. Go for approximation, mean into number of observation will be total. Suppose you know 74 average in 5 innings he has done. 74 run he has scored in 5 innings. So total how much run he has scored in 5 innings? It will be 74 into 5, that is 370. I hope you have understood it. Practice will be getting more knowledge. And what is called median? Median also, it's not average, but it's the mid value, mid data, the middle data. Middle observation is what that you need to find out. So median is basically the middle data we need of a given observation. See, median can be taken out in 2 ways. One is for the even number of observation and another is for the odd number of observation. What you need to do is, see, I will take again examples to make your conception more clear. See, example 1 I have taken. You have got a data 5, 7, 3, 4, 9. These are all the observation you have got. You have got the data as 5, 7, 3, 4, 9. इसको देख के बता ये कैसा डाटा है, ये अनक्लासिफाइड डाटा है, इट इज रॉ डाटा। और रॉ डाटा कभी भी स्टैटिस्टिक्स में काम नहीं आता है, रॉ मटेरियल से कुछ काम नहीं होता है ना। माइंड से इफ यू आर टेकिंग आउट समथिंग फ्रॉम द माइंड दैट इज कॉल्ड रॉ मटेरियल, दैट रॉ मटेरियल कोई काम का नहीं आता, उसको रिफाइनरीज में भेजना पड़ता है, वी नीड टू सेंड इट टू रिफाइनरीज एंड लेट इट बी रिफाइंड एंड देन दैट कम्स इन। So in statistics also that raw data will be arranged in ascending order or descending order to make it arrayed data. For median also we need to make all this raw data in a descending or ascending order, which is called arrayed data. I have made in ascending order as the way I am doing it from the beginning, that is 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9, isn't it? So that is arrayed data. Now which is the middle data? For the here the number of observation, total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the total number of observation is denoted by n, total number of observation is n, the number of observation कितना है 5, n is equal to 5 in this case, which is a odd number. n is a odd number because 5 is always an odd number, isn't it? Now see, if you take all this data, the middle data, it is easily can be picked, very nicely it can be picked, very obvious to you. All the data you have written down and the middle data, इधर से 2 छोड़ दो, उधर से 2 छोड़ दो, 4 चला गया तो बीच में कौन सा रह गया, fifth one. So 5 is the median of this. Therefore what we can see, number of observation is 5, number of observation is 5. So कौन सा number data है, first, second, third data is the median. So what you can conclude is for the odd number, if the number of data is n, the median will be n plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 1 by 2, 5 is the n value plus 1 is the formula's 1 by 2. If you find out that number data, that number data will be the median. So in this case 5 plus 1, third number data, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 6 by 2 is equal to 3, third number data is 5, therefore the median is 5. So median one formula is for the odd number n plus 1 by 2 if the total number of data is n. Remember this. For odd number, for even number sir, what will you do? Okay, let us take another example. घबराते क्यों? देखो और एक एग्जाम्पल, मैंने बहुत सिंपल एग्जाम्पल ले लिया, मीडियन ऑफ 6 natural number, first 6 natural number will be said to you. So first 6 natural number will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is very clear to you. You know that all my smart children are knowing it. So these are the first 6 natural number. Now see, if you simply this way leaving equal number of data and picking the middle value, it will not come. In case of even number, what will happen? In this case, इधर 2 छोड़ दो, उधर 2 छोड़ दो, बीच में 3 and 4 will be the middle. But median will be 3 plus 4 divided by 2. 3 is which number data? Third and fourth number data. So if it is even number, the formula we can conclude as median is n by 2th number, n by 12th number, that means it is 6 by 2, third number, okay, and n by 2 plus 1 data, n by 2 कर लो, then plus 1, which number data is coming, that is 4. So third and fourth number divided by 2, that is 3.5. In this case median will be 3.5. Another conception I will give you, if it is said to you mode, usually in statistics in higher classes you will learn about mean, median, mode, that is a lesson. Okay, mode is what I will give a touch, listen to me, which will help you in a next class. What I mean, the mode is the number of data. In this case, where if the number of data is recurring more times, then it is called mode. In this case, of course, mode is not there, where one data is repeating 2 times. Suppose here again 3 comes. So in this observation, no, then 3 will be the mode because 3 is repeating 2 times. A data which is repeating more number of times is called the mode. I hope you have understood about the mode also. So mean, median, mode, I have given a conception, and now we will go through your exercise and pakka आपका doubt